everybody, and welcome back to the Grumpy Gator Cafe. My name is Bob Zima, and I am the cafe's resident lunatic lover and poet. And I want to talk to you about how faith drives hope, which fuels motivation. Too many people, I hear it all the time, whether I'm with my friends, my family, or talking to clients, all I hear is, oh, my motivation is in the toilet. Oh, I need to try harder. I don't understand why I just don't X, Y, and Z. And the reason people don't find motivation, the reason people don't get things done, like scrubbing their toilet bowl, or making their bed, or washing the dishes and drying the dishes and putting them in the cabinet, or rinsing the dishes and putting them in the dishwasher, starting the dishwasher and then emptying it when it is clean. The reason people don't do that isn't that they aren't trying harder, isn't that they don't want to make it happen. It's because these are boring tasks. Now, when people tell me they're motivated to go out and find a partner, they're motivated to get an academic degree, they're motivated to get promoted at work or to finish painting the bedroom, these are a little bit bigger projects. These are projects that are easier to see, to imagine, to talk about with others. I really want to go back to school and get this degree because I'd really like to transition into this career. I really would like to find a mate, someone I can spend my life with, travel with, have fun with, laugh with. We're able to articulate it. When we can articulate what we're seeing here in the drive-in theater wedged between our ears, that's the inspiration we need to drive the faith that drives the hope that fuels motivation. Today, I want to talk about what do you need to do to make your bed, clean your toilet, get your dishes done, mow the lawn, vacuum the floor, the everyday in and out BS things of life that most of us don't like doing. How do you find that motivation? Two things. One, you must have faith in the fact that getting those tasks completed will lead to a positive outcome. What do I mean? You're going to feel good about yourself cleaning that toilet, making that bed, mowing the lawn, getting the dishes done. Most of us only think about how crappy the task is going to be, how boring, how awful the task is going to be. First, I want you to tell yourself when I finish whatever, finish the lawn, finish cleaning the bathroom, finish making my bed, vacuuming, doing the dishes, I'm going to feel what? You're going to feel proud, relieved, happy. When I'm finished with, I'm going to feel blank. The final blank, the I'm going to feel, that's what you've got to hang your hat on. That's what we're shooting for. So whether it's relieved, happy, feeling productive, grateful it's off my plate, that is what's motivating you to go through the boringness, the dullness, the crappiness of completing the task. So remember, I'm going to feel blank. And when you get ready to start that task, you remind yourself, I'm doing this incredibly boring, horrible, rotten routine because I want to feel productive. I want to feel happy. I want to get this off my plate. I want to quit feeling like a loser because this thing continues to hang over my head. That is the key. When you believe that you're going to stop feeling lazy, like a loser, unmotivated, a whiner, a complainer, when you believe you're going to stop feeling that way and you're going to feel like you said, when I finish blank, I will feel. When you believe that, then that hope begins to churn because I have faith that I'm going to feel better, more productive, less lazy, less like a loser because I will get things done. I'm going to feel productive. When we believe that, hope starts to churn, and hope is what motivation runs on. because I don't want to feel like a I don't want to feel like a sloth. I want to feel like I'm productive. Okay. We know you can do it. It's not a question of can you clean a toilet? Can you wash some dishes? Can you mow the lawn? That's not a question. We know you can do it. It's the belief in when it's done, I'm going to feel. And when you know that, then you say, I want to feel blank. In order to get there, I need to do these crappy, boring tasks. And so, because I believe that I'm going to feel blank when blank is done, that is the faith that drives the hope that gets the motivation done. Another thing you can do, like I said, two things is one, reward yourself after it's complete. Some of us like to work, then get a reward. When blank is finished, I'm going to feel productive. I'm going to feel relieved. I'm going to feel happy it's off my plate. And so I'm going to have a chocolate ice cream bar. And so I'm going to sit down and watch YouTube videos. And so I'm going to go for a walk with the dog. Give yourself a reward. Now, if you're a reward first, then work person, nothing wrong with that. That isn't good or bad, right or wrong. Just like working, then getting a reward isn't good or bad, right or wrong. There's not just one way, there are multiple ways. But if you decide I want to have a chocolate ice cream bar, then I'm going to tackle the toilet. I want to go for a walk with the dog, then I'm going to tackle the lawn. Because I know when the lawn is finished, I'm going to feel productive. When the lawn is finished, I'm going to enjoy that project being finished, my yard looking good. This is the key to motivation. The faith that you're going to have a positive outcome, improve your overall mental wellness. And when you believe that, when you truly believe it, you will have the hope to get things done.